Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Because I was not around for 1 week, you decided to play Romeo and Juliet in my room.
You told me your mom was in coma. What?
Where do you think you are going? Will you get back? You want your bed. So, even if I was in coma, the best thing to do is to be in bed with my son.
I didn't know the coma was that serious.
You must be very stupid. I am very stupid. Will you get out of my house? This man is supposed to be coma.
Hey! I hear you.
I want to go swimming.
No.
You guys lose me. I'm gonna have to go home and play like Xbox and
You
go that
wanted
way
to
out.
kill me.
Okay, guys,
But
we
your
have
plan
reattached
is
the
what?
boats and
Mama, I tried to warn you about it, but you still want to listen.
Will you shut up your mouth? So that is why you asked God to bring a lady to my house while I was fighting for my life.
Mama, I'll be praying for you.
Oh, I see. One of us will have to wear this bandage today.
All you need to know is about the rest of your
Mama,
life now.
sorry.
Let us get a girl and wait for her. I said that.
guys, while Logan is swimming outside, keep in
You
mind we are
want to
anchored
do
here, and the spot we chose isn't too bad. It's not super far. Keep in mind that's because we want to go over there to the island and do some exploration. Because we don't want to stay on the boat the entire time. Plus, there's no reason we have to stay on here. But one thing I did want to do is I wanted to do some fishing with Bill.
This is what you want to use your life for now.
We need to survive. We need to have some fish. I also think Bill said he wanted a pet fish, which I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh, there's a lot of seaweed. This is gross.
You look like a little baby in a swimming pool.
Definitely feels cold here. Why is it so cold? Feels like there's a sea monster.
Well, me and Bill go fishing. We'll tell you what's happening.
Luckily, I have my flotation device, so swimming is a lot easier. As we're swimming out, you can see how big the boat is. It is absolutely massive. Wow. The water is really cold, actually, Phil. Why is that not good? You never heard the tale about the sea monster?